Good Saturday morning, South Carolina weather watchers. I'm the host for South Carolina Weather, Peterson, and let's go and talk about the weather for your Saturday. We got to go pretty fast with this, so let's just get started. We do have some showers already going on down over here with this feeder band from the low pressure that is producing all of these showers and downpours just to the north of Walterboro, west of Charleston, as well isolated showers that goes all the way through most of the Tri-County region with the Charleston radar and see if it shows anything better, and pretty much the same thing that Columbia was showing. Nothing too much. And then let's move on over to here. More showers, more thunderstorms, more downpours going on for like the Georgetown region, Berkeley County, up there inside of Horry County as well. Let's move on and talk about the entire United States. All right, just had to do something real quick, but looking at the reflectivity right now, we do have. Okay, let's get it. All right, some storms up here in New York, and as well as over here some showers and downpours inside of Maine. Some heavy downpours up there inside of Wisconsin, UP, and Michigan, and over here inside of the Dakotas as well as over here inside of the New Mexico, Arizona regions, all of these regions that we were talking about as well. You can see down there inside of Florida, we're getting some rain down there as well. And then as we move on to down here inside of Texas and Mexico, we're also seeing some things down there as well. So let's go and talk about our cloud cover. So, cloud cover right now, we're seeing cloud cover right now around the pretty much around all of South Carolina. All of South Carolina is seeing rain, but not rain, cloud cover. I almost messed that up completely. But I mean, most all of us is seeing cloud cover, except for just some spots like up there inside the upstate. Maybe some isolated spots might not be seeing a lot of cloud cover. But in terms of most of South Carolina, most of us is seeing cloud cover. As we move into cloud cover total percentage, and we move this forward, you can again just see what I'm talking about. And you can see the low pressure still developing, kind of moving down south a little bit as we have a little system moving through, kind of moves the low pressure and dissipates it a little bit and moves those clouds down. But some more clouds return to South Carolina, even as we go into tomorrow as well. And then maybe even a line. You can see a line of thunderstorms moving through our area, going through like the next 46 hours or so, or somewhere around there. Let's talk about the current temperatures. Current temperatures right now: 86 inside Columbia, 84 inside of Charleston. That is 84 Georgetown, 82 Myrtle Beach, 86 Columbia, 82 Rock Hill, 84 Greenville and Anderson. Now let's look at our high temperatures. High temperatures for today is around 92 in Newberry, maybe even around 94 in Columbia, 87 in Charleston, 86 inside of Hilton Head Island, 86 inside of Myrtle Beach, and that is as well 91 Kingstree, 92 Spartanburg, 93 Greenville and Anderson, and Rock Hill. Here's our peak sustained winds for today. Peak sustained winds around 10 to 15 miles an hour at the coast. I'd say around 5 to 10 miles an hour, or I'd say around 7 to 10 miles an hour for like the inland regions. But once you get up there to like the upstate, around 3 to 5, maybe even 6 miles an hour in some of those spots. Peak wind gust can also get you around 15 to 20 miles an hour at the coast, maybe even some isolated close to 25. Also some inside the Lowcountry and the PD region around 10 to 12, 13 miles an hour. And then the upstate around 7 to 9, maybe even 10 miles an hour. Forecasted precipitation for the next 24 or so hours. You can see here that we do have the potential to see a lot of rain, especially inside of near Hilton Head Island, where we can see maybe even an inch and a half at near Savannah, Georgia. Yesterday, I'm trying to think, I got around 1.13 inches of rain yesterday. We have around 1/100th of an inch to 1/10th of an inch inside of Myrtle Beach. Same thing with Georgetown, Charleston, 1/10th of an inch to 1/4 of an inch. Orangeburg, hundredth of an inch to a tenth of an inch. Barnwell, hundredth of an inch to a tenth of an inch. Same thing with Aiken, and a quarter of an inch to a half an inch as well inside of Columbia. So this is a very beneficial rain, especially since I was one of the people inside of the um, the moderate drought, the D1 drought. So that was very beneficial inch of rain that fell. We do also have a chance of thunderstorms today as well, so that's something that we're gonna have to watch out for, mainly for like the Lowcountry, South Carolina, southern Midlands of South Carolina, and southern PD regions. No excessive rainfall, except for just a little tiny tip right there, where that 1 inch of rain could potentially fall near Savannah, Georgia, on the South Carolina Georgia border. And then here's the tropics update. We do have a 50% chance now for this one down here, a 50-50, and this disturbance up here, the one that we're watching for, no longer has any sort of chance to form at all because it's inland now. And even though it's still doing its thing, it's still a disturbance. It's still bringing rain, as you saw on the radar earlier. This one over here, though, has now a 50-50. It says a broad low-pressure system located over the southwestern Gulf of Mexico is producing a large area of disorganized showers and thunderstorms. Environmental conditions appear conducive for gradual development of this system as it moves slowly westward, northwestward, and a tropical depression could form before the system reaches the coast of northeastern Mexico Sunday night. So, honestly, we were thinking maybe it could get to maybe up to close to a tropical storm, but now they're only saying a tropical depression. So we'll see what happens there as well. But that's all that I have. I have to get going. So everyone have a fantastic Saturday, and I will be back tomorrow, 9 o'clock p.m., with another forecast update. Everyone have a fantastic rest of your Saturday.